Hello friends, welcome again. Today Summer is here. We're going to draw shapes. Summer, are you ready to draw shapes?
Yeah, I broke my hand one day.
Summer, she broke her arm. Well, you're fine now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Let's draw a square. Okay,
A
square. Yeah, square has 4 sides. So just watch. Draw a straight line. It's okay. And then draw another one. Make it the same length. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then close it off.
Done.
Yeah, done. Now that's nice. That's a square. Okay, so let's draw also a rectangle.
A rectangle.
Wait, see rectangle. Rectangle is also like a square. Draw a straight line. Straight line. Good. Is it big enough?
Yeah.
Then draw a longer line.
What?
A longer line like this.
That is longer.
Yeah, make it longer. Straight. Awesome. It's okay. Then draw another one from the bottom here to come to the same point here. Oh, that means you have to draw that one. Then yeah, join it. Awesome. So that's a rectangle. All right. And do you know what has a rectangular shape in nature or around us?
Look.
A doll?
The box.
Yeah, a box. Or no, yeah, a box can also be rectangular.
Look,
but the doll is also rectangle.
Yeah.
A football pitch is also rectangular.
And
Okay.
look at that. And
Yeah,
look
the
at
table.
Look at the
You
tier
mean the
top.
table?
No, yes.
The table can also
And
be
the
rectangular.
tier and the tier top.
Yeah, the chair top can also be rectangular.
We did
Square.
not do the square.
For
Oh,
square.
the chair square.
Yeah, maybe the chair. Yeah, where you sit on where
And
you
the
sit
couch.
on the chair.
And the couch.
Couch is rectangular, okay, but a box can be square. Okay, let's make another shape. Triangle. Okay, so you make a slant line like this, slant it, then slant the other one as well, and then join them together.
It looks like a chocolate.
Yeah, that is a.
It looks like a chocolate place to keep
like
your.
a chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, and that is
Oh.
a triangle. This is a triangle. So what has a triangular shape in nature? Maybe our hanger.
Oh, look.
Yeah, hanger has triangle.
Nah.
Hanger has triangle. What else has a triangular shape? Maybe
Hey.
a few things.
A.
A wanted to. Yeah, I think A has a triangular shape. A kind of. Awesome. High five. All right, so let's make another shape. Circle. Let's make a circle shape. Make it here. Circle. Draw a big circle. Yeah.
I
Wow.
want to do a little circle.
It's okay.
To
It's fine.
win coloring.
It's fine. So, what has a circular shape around us? Maybe the wheel of a car.
Baby's car has a wheel.
Yeah, and your bicycle.
Yeah.
Yeah, your bicycle tire is circular.
Look at
What
the
else?
tape. Look.
Yeah, the tape.
Circle.
Yeah, the tape, sellotape has circular shape. Wow, even the bulb, electric bulb.
Look at my ears. It has
Yeah.
a circle.
Awesome. Your earring has circular shape. All right, so which other shape do we do? Let's do a cone. Okay, cone is like making your triangle. Just start by slanting off like this and making another one. Okay, then here, instead of drawing a straight line, you curve it like this.
Like a bump.
Yeah, curve it and join the other one. Awesome. Okay, and you can actually cover here as well. Make it like curve it also like this. Oh, that's great. And what has this cone shape that you know?
Ice cream cone.
Oh, ice cream cone. High five. Good. Ice cream cone is a cone. Wow, that's great.
Look at that.
Yeah, ice cream cone has the shape. Okay, so let's draw a cylinder. Okay, so you draw a straight line. Draw a straight line like this.
A cylinder.
Yeah, straight line. And then another one beside it, not too wide. Just give it a little gap like
Right.
this. Yes. So here you curve it like this. And here you curve it inside like this. Awesome. And also curve this other top.
Curve this on the top.
Wow, yeah, that's a cylinder. This is cylinder shape. What do you know that has cylindrical shape around us? You can see the pipe. You can see this chair leg. The pipe is cylinder. Yeah. What else has a cylindrical shape?
Look.
Yeah, even the pen. Yeah, it's true. Even your pen is a cylindrical shape. Yeah, it's straight down. Yeah, awesome. High five. Good. Okay, so let's make another shape. Let's make a pyramid.
Pyramid?
Yeah, pyramid is also like a triangle. So we make a shape like this, a triangular shape. Draw a line like that, as if we're making a triangular shape. Then from here you make another line that will come off a little bit.
It looks like an arrow.
A little bit. Awesome.
It looks like an arrow.
Yeah, it looks like an arrow. So you join this one here. Good. And then join this to here. Good. And that is a pyramid. Wow.
It looks like an ice cream.
Is it ice cream? No. But pyramid, there's a famous pyramid in the world. Do you know about the pyramid in Egypt? Oh, that's why you have a very ancient and big pyramid.
What is like a pyramid?
Yeah, what else is like a pyramid around us?
Is this like a pyramid?
No.
That?
No, we don't really find pyramids around like that. Maybe a mountain can have a shape of a pyramid, but not really. Okay, all right, so
I don't think I need to.
let's color it. Are you ready for us to color?
Yeah. Normal black.
All right, so let's go ahead. And which color are we using for the square?
Purple.
You want purple?
Yeah.
Awesome. So let's color this square
Yeah.
purple.
Yeah. Your square is gonna be too tiny.
Yeah, just be careful so you don't color outside
I'm already done.
so fast.
Yes.
I can still see white spaces on yours,
Nah.
so try and cover it up so that it looks fine. Okay.
Do you see any more white spaces?
Oh, it looks like you've really covered it up. You're so fast.
Oh, that's
Okay.
superhero.
Like superhero. Okay. So which other color are we using for? Which color do we use for the rectangle?
Blue?
Blue?
Yeah, this kind of blue.
Okay, that's
Because
great.
this is the only blue we have.
So let's go and color it blue, the rectangle. Let's go. Just be careful.
I love doing the video.
You love doing this video and you love coloring
Yeah,
and
because
drawing.
when we're all done, I'll still want to color. I have a coloring iPad.
Yeah, you have a coloring iPad. That's awesome. That's great. And do you enjoy coloring with your iPad?
Yeah,
Great.
I love games.
You love games. That's great. And also you love drawing and painting
Yeah, with Daddy.
with Daddy.
Yeah, and there's
Awesome.
no Play-Doh on the coloring. I'm already done.
You already done? Is that why space is in yours?
Yeah.
If there is, just fill them up. Let's have a very neat drawing. Not really neat, but at least bright, filled up well.
Look.
Awesome.
Look at the pencil.
Yeah, just get it off. It's a foam. Alright, so
Oh.
which color do we use next? Do we use red or orange or which one?
Yellow.
Which
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
Yellow. We use it for the triangle. Go ahead. Okay. Do you love coloring?
I'm not done.
You're done.
Ready?
Alright.
I'm so quick.
You love coloring so fast. Okay, so which color do we use next?
Daddy's slow.
Which other one do we use next? No. We
Pink.
use.
Pink.
Let us use the pink.
Yeah, for
Let's use pink for the cylinder.
yeah, we have toothpaste. We can put 2 colors.
Yeah, you can use 2 colors. So I'm using this pink here, so you can use another one for the top. Okay, you use pink for the top. You can use...
Brown is perfect.
Yeah, brown is perfect for you. Okay, that's good. That's a good choice.
I wish you a Merry Christmas.
It's not Christmas yet.
Merry Christmas.
It's not
wish you a
Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, so funny.
We read in you and your game. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
It's not Christmas yet. Alright, so which color do we use for the...
It's Christmas.
Which one are we using?
This green.
Is it green?
Yeah.
Oh, for the cone? We are doing the cone instead of the circle. Okay, so when we are done with the cone,
We do a Merry Christmas. We do another Merry Christmas.
okay.
We do the Merry
So which color are you using next for the inside of the cone? Using red. Oh, somebody's using red. You're singing Christmas song
Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
when it's not Christmas and it's not a New Year.
I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
You like Christmas?
Yes, I love Christmas because I want a baby doll present.
Okay,
That's why I'm singing baby.
because you get presents.
Yeah, because that's why I'm singing Christmas. Today's Christmas.
It's funny. Alright, so
About done.
which color do we use? Let's use the orange for the circle.
No.
It's this circle here. Let's do the circle at the top before we go down and do
I
the other
used the green.
one. You're using the green?
Oopsie, I forgot it. But it's not this kind of green.
What kind of green?
The darker green.
Oh, using green for your circle?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. It's still fine.
It's still fine when you do different colors,
Yeah, it's awesome. It's good to do also different color.
like people's.
Yeah,
You did your top brown and I did my own pink.
Yes, you can. It's good to make different choices.
We used all our colors.
We've not used all.
Yes, we did. We used yellow, and we black, and we used purple, and we used red, and we used yellow, and we do every color we can get.
Oh, have you used all the green?
Yeah,
Have you used orange?
yeah,
You've not used orange.
yeah. I did not use orange, but you used orange.
I used it. Okay, so
But
let me
we
use.
did all the colors now.
Let me use this green here.
But you did not do it.
Have you used? Okay, we've used purple.
Use purple.
Oh, it's okay. We can use another color. We can use another color we've been using before. So fine. No, let's use maybe yellow. Which color are you use? Brown.
I'm using brown.
It's okay. Let's use brown.
That is not brown.
What is that? If it's not brown,
It's black.
I'm using brown. I don't know
We
what.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Someone
We
wants
wish
Christmas to
you a
come
Merry Christmas and a happy
when it's not
year.
Christmas.
And Sonny, we pray and you and your game.
And it's not
We
a new
wish you
year.
a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Somebody so funny.
Sonny, we praise and you and your game. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright, so we've come to the end of this. Whoa, this is shape. Someone has colored all her shapes. Let's get it close to the camera. Yeah. Awesome. Wow, this is fine. Someone, have you learned your shapes?
Yeah.
You learned your shapes.
Look, both of us have different colors on our cones.
It's okay. It's fine. This is a pyramid.
And
So, can we go through it again? What is this shape?
square,
Square. Awesome. What is this shape?
circle,
Circle.
rectangle,
This rectangle. This one.
A triangle.
Triangle, awesome. And this one?
A cone.
A cone. This one? A cylinder.
A cylinder.
Awesome. And this one? A pyramid.
A pyramid.
A pyramid. Awesome. High five. Alright friends, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed some, you learned along with some drawing the shapes,
We have
identifying them, and also coloring them.
and more people are going to subscribe to our channel. And for more days we're going to do more videos.
Alright, so please subscribe to our channel if you have not. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
Bye bye.
Bye bye, and see you in another video.
Bye bye.